year ones! How are you? Good morning. I hope you're having a fabulous Friday and looking forward to a really lovely weekend. But learning isn't over yet, so let's get started with today's activity. What, you expected me to get something ready for you today? Oh, no. Today's learning is coming from you. You are going to teach me something new today. I am going to be your willing pupil. That sounds a bit strange, doesn't it? But I promise you, it's super duper easy. What I would like to do today is I would like to share some recipes. At the end of this video, I've included some of the recipes that me and Anna have been trying over lockdown. But I would really like you to teach me all about your favourite recipes. So could you maybe have a look through a recipe book today with your mum and dad? Or maybe could you talk about a recipe that your mum or your dad makes that's super duper tasty? Maybe you could even have a go at making it and send me some pictures. Maybe you could write the instructions for me. Or maybe you could write a beautiful description describing how deliciously tasty and scrumptious that meal is. I don't mind what you do. I'm just looking forward to hearing about some of your favourite recipes. If you could share them with me on Class Dojo, either photos, a video clip, or a written down recipe, anything is fine. I'm just looking forward to finding out about your favourite recipes. So, have a look at some of our favourite recipes. You could even try some of those out if you had time. Looking forward to hearing from you, and I can't wait to sample some of your delicious delicacies too. Have a happy weekend. Bye, year ones.